everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. Welcome back. This is the drawing for the giveaway of the little girl mini journals in their little bags. So I made two that are alike, so each one will get an equal gift, and so I'm hoping that the two gifts will increase the odds. And I'm going to be doing the drawing in just a second. I do want to thank everyone who entered, and I do thank your comments and your lovely, kind encouragement that you've given me. And also, all of your goals have given me a lot of ideas of some of the things that I would like to maybe start doing on my channel this year. So it's been really helpful for me, and they were quite inspiring. And I see that a lot of people have a lot of the same ideas on their mind. And anyway, so let's get started with the drawing. Okay, here we are at the YouTube random comment picker, and I've entered the information that needs to be entered, and we're going to come right down here to the start button. Here we go. And oh, I love this ad. Yeah. Okay, let's give it a start, and we'll see who the first winner is. Who is the first? Tammy Case is the first winner. And she says she wants to make a soft-sided journal this year. Those are really nice. Those are fun to make, and they're fun to feel too, to hold in your hand. So Tammy, will you please email me at this address by this deadline, the 27th, and give me your mailing address so that I can get this sent out to you. So yay, Tammy. All right, let's pick a second winner. Here we go. And we're going to come down to Linda Russell. Linda Russell, you are the winner of the second little journal. Oh, I really liked her little joke that she, instead of purchasing so much, I don't need to hoard. I mean, stock up. Yeah, we like to say stock up rather than hoarding, don't we? So, Linda, will you please contact me at this email address with your mailing information, and do so by the 27th. So, unclaimed prizes that I don't receive by the 20th, by the deadline, are going to go into my shop for sale. So this gives you a 2-week window to get back with me. And congratulations on the winners. I'm so happy, so excited to be giving away these little cute little girl journals. So I'll be seeing you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.